Ayan na mga kababayan, ipapakulong na ng mga buhaya si Atty. Harry Roque daan sa Kongreso. Kung inyo matatandaan mga kababayan, ginipit nila ng ginipit si Harry Roque. At dito sa Kongreso, nung nakitaan nila ng kaunting inconsistency mga kababayan, kulong agad dahil alam naman natin yan talaga ang purpose sila mga kababayan, ang gantihan itong si Roque dahil inaatake ni Roque itong kanilang presidente. Sinasabihang bangag. At itong kanilang Lord na si Tamba Lord. Kaya ngayon mga kababayan, ipapakulong na nila, ipapakontempt nila si Roque dyan sa Kongreso. Hindi kasi dumalo si Roque nung nakaraang hearing mga kababayan dahil akala niya yun din ang schedule ng kanyang hearing doon sa korte. Na yun pala mga kababayan, na-move pala sa ibang araw ang hearing na iyon. Tapos sabi ng mga congressman mga kababayan na sinungaling ito si Roque. Dahil sabi daw, dumalo sa ibang hearing sa korte tapos hindi naman daw pala. Pero ang sabi ni Roque mga kababayan ay honest mistake daw iyon dahil hindi naman daw talaga niya inaasahang na-move pala ang hearing. Yan lang po ang dahilan mga kababayan Ipapakulong si Roque mga kababayan. Pero alam naman natin na matagal na nila yung pinagplanuhan. At kung inyo makikita mga kababayan, dito usap-usap na ang mga buhaya. Anong ipaparusa natin dito kay Roque? Yan po ang sitwasyon mga kababayan bago nila ipakontempt si Roque At naglabas pa ng saloobin ang mga buhaya mga kababayan dahil yung yung pinakontempt na nila si Lauren Badoy at si Eric Celis ay kung ano-ano daw pinagsasabi nito si Roque na mga masasakit na salita laban dito sa Kongreso, nasaktan ng mga buhaya mga kababayan. Kaya pinakulong nila ito. Panoorin natin
The source person, Atty. Harry Roque, was cited in contempt.
Cited in contempt.
For violating Section 11, Paragraph E of our rules. Hearing no objection, the motion is carried.
I still remember the
motion is carried.
last time that we have discussed the issue of the SMNI. Celis and Badoy was cited in contempt. And Atty. Harry Roque was so vocal about attacking our institute and every members of this house.
Galit sila mga kababayan dahil binakbak ka ni Roque Dahil pinakulong din nila si Eric at si Lauren Badoy, di ba?
And I wanted to ask Secretary Roque before we render our vote on this issue, because as an institution, Attorney Roque, you malign each and every member of this house.
Malign? Wow!
By telling that we are all corrupt and we are...
Talaga? Kung hindi kayo corrupt, open your book. Open the book, sabi nga ni PRRD, di ba? Para magkaalaman. Prove it.
Are conniving with the DPWH. And
tapos mga kababayan, kung sabihan kurap, kulong. Di ba? Ganyan kahuda sa mga buhaya.
While ago, we were discussing about it. And we are very hurtful of
nasaktan ng mga kakapalang mukha.
In that video that we have seen. As much as we wanted to accept your apology, somehow behind our minds and our hearts, there is this something that lingers in all of us, that you are being apologetic in this committee, but somehow when you are outside of this committee, bad words are being thrown against all of us. So,
ang tinutukoy nila mga kababayan sa SMNI. Nanonood pala sila sa SMNI mga kababayan Yung mga buhaya mga kababayan nasaktan.
Attorney Harry Roque, can you somehow tell us why it is so that if you are here, you are being so nice with us, but if you are outside, it's the other way around. Can we have some...
abogado yung si Roque Kung mag-aangas yan dyan, hindi ba yan? Siguradong ikukulong nyo.
Some comment, Attorney Harry Roque.
Your Honor, aside from the fact that I respect the institution where I came from, there is also proper decorum. So I have always maintained that
professional.
As a lawyer, I should be in top behavior while in Congress, and that is why there's a substantial difference when one is in the exercise of free speech outside and when one is before an institution like Congress. Well, thank you very much for contemplating, Your Honors, whether or not this committee will cite me in contempt. I will, of course, accept it because I have no choice. But, Your Honor, I would like also to emphasize that the committee must abide with. And for now, I would like to make a query to the 4 committee secretaries of the Quad if we in fact have a quorum as we take this vote. Because I think as a person who may or may not be detained, I need to ensure at least that the rules are followed, that there be a 2/3 vote of the body, there being a quorum. And I do not know what quorum is involved, given that there is a Quad committee now, and which is actually a first as far as legislative history is concerned.
First time in history.
There are 4 committees. I'm just doing so, Your Honor, because I leave my faith to you, but that faith, of course, be in conformity with the. But thank you very much, Your Honors.
Yeah,
Mr. Chair.
Sabi kasi naman ako, sinungaling dito si Roque na sinabi sila mga kurap dyan sa Kongreso.
my question,
Mr. Chair.
Mr. Secretary, is that are you being truthful with all your accusations against the institution and against all the congressmen when you deliver those?
Kung hindi ka kurap, oy, Dan Fernandez, open your book. Pakita mo sa publiko kasi kami na mag-o-audit. Kung nasaan na yung mga proyektong dumadaan sa iyo.
Statements after the contempt that was issued by all of us with Celis and Badon.
Your Honor, I still represent Celis and Bad, and I raised legal grounds against the contempt. I said that there was no due process because in jurisprudence, there must be a show cause order before being cited in contempt. And I also said that the exercise of freedom of expression
Ngayon, siya na mga kababayan ang kinulong. Yung abogado nila Badoy at ni Celis.
should not be deemed to be contemptible, especially under the facts of the Celis Badoy case, because they were raising an issue of public interest. So I do not know what other matters the good chair is referring to, but I certainly know how the institution works. I respect the institution, but we all know that there are also abuses within the institution, which should not in any way
Abuses within the institution. Abusado talaga itong Kongreso.
affect the integrity itself of the institution, but certain practices will have to be condemned if, in fact, one sees them happen.
Yeah. We understand you're kind of representing the SMNI, and
Grabe,
we
mga
understand
buhaya,
as
no?
well that, of your freedom of expression.
Kulong
But of
agad,
course,
mga
you have
kababayan,
established
di ba?
also friends among the members of this house, and with that collective accusations against all of us, that really hurt a lot of members of this
Saktan sila mga kababayan, sabihan kurap ni Roque.
19
Tapos ipapakulong.
Congress. And that's the reason maybe we have a long discussion about your predicament because of that friendship that you have established in this Congress.
Dating congressman yan si Roque.
But of course, we have to follow our rules. As what you have said a while ago, that there are certain rules that we have to follow. Painful as it may be, but you have a lot of friends in here, but we have to do our job. We hope you will understand that.
Hoy, in the first place, Fernandez, hindi yan ang job nyo talaga, yung main job ng congressman. Hindi kayo korte. As if mga kababayan sila ang korte. Nagdala dyan ng mga preso para mag-imbestiga as if sila ang korte. Legislative kayo, hindi kayo judicial.
Yes, Mr. Chair. I'm always guided by the fact that I'm probably one of the most heavily criticized personality, and I have to take these criticisms in stride because of the importance of freedom of expression. And I would hope that all public servants would take to heart the decision of this honorable court, that public servants not be onion skin. But in any case, as
Balat
part
sibuyas
of
ang mga buhaya.
my rights as a person who may or may not be cited in contempt, may I know, Mr. Chairs, if we have a quorum at termin, if I should be cited in contempt. And this is a first because this is a first meeting involving 4 committees, so I do not know how the quorum will be determined. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Maybe, Mr. Chairman, after this, we will be establishing if we have a quorum or none.
Mr. Chair.
But for the meantime, thank you, Mr.
And after the contempt, the proper motion is to follow Section 12, which speaks of the penalty. Is there any motion? Congressman Salo?
Thank you very much, Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair, and to this honorable committee, in consideration of the fact that the resource person, former Secretary Harry Roque, is my former law professor.
Teacher niya si Roque, mga kababayan ha. Tapos Ninong, siya ang nag-cite in contempt.
Fellow Kabayan Party List representative and a former member of this House of Representatives. And in consideration also of his claim for honest mistake and, of course, the apologies that he has given to this committee.
No choice kasi mga kababayan na sabihin mo na, sige, mali na ako kapag nandyan ka sa Kongreso dahil hindi tumatanggap ng mga kababayan criticism mo yung mga buhaya Mapipilitan ka talaga mag-apologize kahit anong angas mo.
And finally, in consideration personal relations, as you has mentioned a while ago that he was my ninong, respectfully move, Mr. Chair, that the penalty be given be shortened to the barest minimum. whether it's just 1 day or 24 hours.
Kulong. Kahit na mga kababayan, isang araw pa rin. At saka magiging record din yan kay Roque,
Second
di ba?
motion,
Na nakulong
Mr.
siya. First time in his life, mga kababayan, makukulong si Roque.
There is a motion,
Any motion,
duly
Mr. Chair?
seconded, to impose a penalty of 24 hours to
Ito na ang gobyernong bangag, mga kababayan.
our resource person, Attorney Harry Roque. Hearing no objection, the motion is carried.
I would like to move for reconsideration. It is not the severity of penalty, but the deprivation of liberty that I am appealing from. I believe that
Human rights lawyer po, mga kababayan, ha. Oh, ito na ang example ng mga kababayan. Violation of human rights.
the right to liberty is amongst the most important of basic human rights, and there being no showing that there was an actual lying, but an honest mistake, and there was no actual disrespect as evidenced by the fact that I have appeared 3 times out of the 4 invitations. I believe that any form of punishment by way of deprivation of liberty is unwarranted. Thank you. Mr.
Thank you,
Chairman.
Attorney Harry Roque. Let it be of record that Attorney Harry Roque is asking for a reconsideration on the contempt.
Mabuti naman, mga kababayan, at matalino atin si Roque, hindi natin tinanggap agad. Reconsideration, motion for
Orders
reconsideration.
that the committee has issued. Under our rules, there must be, again, another vote on this. And since there's no motion to vote, we will have to wait for the time that when we resume in our next hearing.
Next time pa ikukulong, mga kababayan, dahil wala na. Yung ibang kasamahan nila, umalis na dahil hapunan na. Ang mga buhaya, gutom na rin. Oh, kulang sila sa boto na ngayon.
We will probably consider the motion for reconsideration of Attorney Harry Roque.
Anong masasabi niyo dito, mga kababayan? Dahil sinabihan corrupt nito si Roque, itong mga buhaya, ay ikukulong siya. Post your comments below.